Today we will learn about opening a link in a new browser window. Tap Adding Images, the break tag in HTML. Opening a link in a new browser window. Tab. When it comes to web design, one of the most important things to consider is user experience. One way to enhance user experience is by allowing users to navigate through your website with ease. One way to do this is by opening links in a new browser window or tab. This allows users to keep the original page open while exploring other parts of your website. To open a link in a new browser window or tab, you can use the target attribute in your HTML code. The target attribute specifies where to open the link document. To open the link in a new window, set the target attribute to _blank. To open the link in a new tab, set the target attribute to _blank and add the rel attribute with the value. Norfer. Adding images. Images are a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your website. They can also help convey information or emotions that text alone cannot. When adding images to your website, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, make sure the images are high quality and relevant to your content. Low quality or irrelevant images can detract from the overall look and feel of your website. Secondly, use descriptive alt tags for each image. Alt tags not only improve accessibility for visually impaired users, but also help with SEO. Finally, optimize the file size of your images to ensure fast loading times. The break tag in HTML. HTML is the backbone of every website. It provides structure and organization to your content. One of the most basic HTML tags is the break tag, represented by BR. The break tag is used to create a line break within a paragraph. While the break tag may seem simple, it is an essential tool for formatting your content. Without it, your paragraphs would appear as one long block of text. However, it's important to use the break tag sparingly. Overuse can lead to cluttered and confusing content. Instead, use headings, lists, and other HTML tags to organize your content effectively. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative videos.